Usama menase se oguso Adom TV. Emra so ma menfa agudie mo nsema no so ento asoma obra ye bowura mo ewo owura Wonford osai kwaku pama ekane na ye ka Ghana Football Association apapai edimu ntintima pa ene wode nsem kakra etudwa se the Black Stars of Ghana no sebesan asode egina ne nanso a Otuado enye coach a ono ene betime aboa.
Opposition on Otuado is saying Professor is the right man for this particular job you're demanding.
Based on my opinion on Otuado.
Yeah.
Oh, you know it already.
Eddie.
You know it. You know it. Yeah, and as someone other could.
When you're the right man.
Now, if your results will produce here, Orokoyezi. Yes, see, Kwesapian. Kwesapianko. Kwesapian, I organize Sudan. One betting or
Libya.
Why neutral grounds? Why Porto 2-0. The way Blasters were playing, me as a football person, not from a spiritual angle.
Usama mensa enfo enwe Kumase krobia metema sante kotokwaso ye ene ye katimba kwa ejane nanso pa eye kotokwasan se coach no abo matches outdoor bese enson ebie ni ho a wadi ntwo anase wakontipenko na se ekoye pa ne no ena coach ne de tudwa se omoni so ade hunu ne se ometime agikru ane no ena odi wura ne next game.
A turning point for us in terms of our ambition to compete for the trophy. It should be a turning point for us. We are playing 2 games at home. We should make the very best out of this opportunity. Try and play well in terms of performance. Try and make sure that the chances we create, we convert them. It's all about the 3 points. When we get the 3 points, these vital 6 points, I'm sure when we get them, it will inspire us a lot in terms of our approach, our training.
Usama menase na fe Mrs. Efia Mankwata makromfa de akanso ento asoma e channel pa enkoma aka kire nyina me hyebo se ye de ho nkomo so ebebro within the Kobe Stone okoma nkra ba ko amaka ensuroja adura emno numero 1 sheshe.